Boo! So today's video is going to be about how I contour my face. It's a game changer. So I recently was just looking on YouTube like how to contour your face because I really didn't know how to contour my face because I don't even know my face shape, and I think it's oval. So I looked on Google like face shape, so I know like my exact like face shape and stuff. So that was the first step, is to know your face shape. I believe I'm like an oval, but I'm like a little bit of a diamond. I think I have a little bit of a diamond too, so that's what I'm going off. Maybe I'm full oval, but I feel like I'm a little bit of a diamond down here. So I don't know. So because I was looking on YouTube and I was watching Sarah Ashcroft. I'm probably butchering her name, I'm so sorry. I was inspired by her because she kind of have a little bit of the same face shape, like a little bit, but not like exactly. But like I love the way she did it, and she said that her videos mixed with a little bit of oval, diamond, and I think round, she said. I don't remember, but I love the way she contours, so I want to do that, but just spice it up a little bit with my own products and maybe a little bit more affordable products maybe for y'all. So yeah, booze, oh my god, I woke up this morning because I had school today online, so I was very exhausted, and I woke up with a pimple right here. I had this one, but I woke up with this one, and then even this. I'm like, oh my god, right when I was supposed to film this video yesterday, but I procrastinated and I said I'll do it today, and I woke up with this and this. So I'm like, it was a jinx for me. So I'm really hot right now. My room's hot. I have all these lights on. I put my hair up. It's pretty falling apart. I'm excited because the way I like contour my face, like the way I changed like kind of like my whole makeup game, like how to really sculpt your face and like leave on the products more longer. My makeup looks a little bit different. That's what I like. It's something different and new, and I was very excited to try it out. And okay, we're gonna like leave this mess alone. Okay, so I already primed my face. I used a little bit of the ordinary hyaluronic acid because my face was a little dehydrated, so I put some of that, and then I put on my e.l.f. daily moisturizer. I put some of this all over my face, and then I put a little bit of my different gel if you want to know, for my little pimples. And then for a primer, I use a Rare Beauty little primer. So I'm going to start off with doing my brow. Not much of a focus on the brows, more like the base of my face. So I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows real quick. I've been recently, oh my god, I know. I've been recently using, oh my god, girl, can't talk. I recently was using my Anyssa dip brow just a little bit because I do have a little bit of missing bald spots, and I want a little bit more defined brow, like a little bit of that Instagram brow. So I started back with this again, I know. But this is for like more my dramatic looks, like when I want to look, my natural looks, I use my pencil. But other than that, but yeah, this is what I'm going to be using, and I'll catch up with brows on. I just wet my beauty blender, and now we're going to do the base. We're going to put some foundation on. And today for foundation, I'm going to use my Giorgio Armani foundation. I'm going to put some on a little bit of my brush and put it on my face. And then I'm going to go in and then even it out with a beauty blender. I really love the way I did my makeup like the past few days. Like I love the way it came out. So I'm like, oh, might as well let me show my boobs. Like kind of like an updated makeup routine, but like just like the main part is like the contouring, because that's what like kind of shaped my face and made my face look different. Just the way like I contour the bronzer, how I place the brush, how I place my highlight, and the concealer, just so you know, the basic. Just make sure you get your foundation all the way to your neck so you can match. And I should put clips in my hair real quick, because little baby hairs will get into my foundation, and I don't like that. So these clips are amazing. You haven't gotten them, they're from Amazon. They're just these hair clips when you do your makeup or you're doing your hair and you need to put some hair away from your face. There's some good clips. They come, I got a pack which is black and it came a free white one. So yeah, definitely will get them really cheap. I think it's like under 10 bucks. Dark my forehead is, and then my foundation's like, yeah girl, yeah, this foundation's a little bit light, but with all the bronzing, the contouring, my face looks even, so it really doesn't matter about the foundation. If it's like too white, then yeah, you might want to darken up the foundation, but other than that, my foundation will work. Sometimes on camera it looks really funny than in person, so just to let you know, my foundation does match me. So now we're gonna do the concealing, the highlighting part. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Medium. And I'm gonna put some of this in the back of my hand, like a good enough amount. So you want to put like that's much. Sometimes I'll go back in if I need more. But I'm gonna use the same little brush what I carved out my brows with. I just use this brush, and it's the Morphe M124, and I'm gonna just highlight my nose just the way like she did it, and then bring it out. I kind of see like where to like stop my highlight, because you don't want to bring it all the way out, but you want to bring it like my cheeks. I can see where like right here, so I know where to like stop for the highlight. Right by my end of my brow, just stop there. Make sure I have enough product on there. I don't want it like little streaky. So see, sometimes I go back in. You want to put the same motion, because sometimes it'll dry up, and then if you have one motion that way, it's gonna look funny. So just make sure. So you're gonna do that on the other side. You want to go kind of high, right by your inner eye, and then depending on your nose, definitely look that up on YouTube if you have a different nose shape. But I just go like kind of much like that, and then I just start flaring it out. This is like more in-depth makeup tutorial, like the highlighting part. Like I never done this like in my life. I'm like, so it's a game changer when you do different steps. Like it's a game changer. I love the way it comes out. It even looks more smoother, to let you know. It looks like a lot more like you got your makeup done. That's just how I see it. Like when I do it, I'm like, wow, my makeup looks like I got it somewhere done. You know what's funny? No one has never done my makeup. What's that, my like sister when I was little, but like now, no one has never done my makeup, and I'm like, when is someone gonna do my makeup? So you're gonna highlight all around the nose, and then don't forget the chin a little bit, and then a little bit on the forehead, because my forehead kind of extends like upward. I'm trying to make my forehead a little bit more smaller, so I'm just gonna do a little bit just right here in the center. So I know I look crazy, but at the end we're gonna look so gorgeous. If you have the same face shape or kind of similar, definitely follow along and try it out. You're gonna love it. So now for cream contour, I'm gonna use my Patrick Ta. This is the shade. What is this? She Sculpted. That's the color thing. I'm gonna use a cream, and for this, I'm gonna use this Real Techniques base shadow brush. It looks like this, and I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna contour my face with this, so I'm just gonna go like that. Really grab some product. Warm it up, because you're gonna like move really good. So I have a lot of product, but we're gonna contour like this. If you go like this, you see the shadow is where my contour needs to be, and I'm gonna bring it out like that, and then you're gonna do the other side. Like that. And then for the forehead, I have like it's very little here, and I don't really do that much. I just do like a little bit, but up here I do my forehead. I put a lot, I know, but it blends well. And I do a little bit here because I don't have like a big gap like some people do, so I just do very little because I don't need that much like contour. And put my chin in just to make it a little bit more pointed. So I put a little bit of contour and a little bit down my jawline. Okay, my camera died, so I had to like go get another battery. So now we're gonna blend. I just contoured my face, so now we're gonna blend it in. And this is brush I use is the Makeup Shack T22, really fluffy, and we're just gonna flick it up, never go down. So now we did a little bit of the bronzing, I blended it out. So I'm gonna do a little bit of the same thing, but I'm gonna highlight right under where I bronze. So what it looks like so far. It looks amazing. Now what we're gonna do is just blend out with our little sponge, and I'm gonna, oh shoot, we gotta highlight the nose. Okay, now our nose is contoured. We're gonna let that sit, but we're gonna blend out the concealer on the side, and you just see where it just leaves. When you leave your concealer on longer, you get a more full coverage look, and that's what I love. So I love how the concealer gives a fuller look. So let's make sure to blend all the concealer out. Face looks a little crazy, but I'm gonna use a little bit of Airspun for under my eyes and where kind of like I highlighted. So I'm gonna use that, and it's gonna look really smooth under my eyes. Like, oh my god, like I used it and it looks so good. Now we're gonna use the One Size powder for all of my face, and I'm going to use my Peaches and Cream PC04 brush. I love this brush for all of my face powder. It works like magic. So I'm going to put a little bit on my brush, and we're going to place it wherever I cream contour and like the concealing of the highlighting underneath my bronzer. That's where we're just going to be placing it. So now we're going to use some bronzer. So I just got this new MAC Give Me Some bronzer. I've been wanting this bronzer for a very long time, and I decided to go pick it up. So it looks so gorgeous. I've been wanting this powder for so long. Like, I'm telling you, like I've been wanting it for a long time. So we're going to just go all over the face. So we're going to bronze up a little bit of on the nose. My brush I use to contour, I'm just going to lightly. This is like a quick, easy go-to shadow look, honestly. I do this a lot, so now we just make sure I get all over my eyelid. That's just for preference. You don't have to, but I'm just doing it because I want a little bit of color in my eyes. So I'm gonna dust off the cake off my nose. So now for blush, I'm gonna use my Profusion Cosmetic blush palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Chic and Punch. So Chic and Punch. I'm just gonna mix those two, and we're gonna put it on our apples of our cheeks. So we're just gonna sweep it and just go like that. That's how we're gonna get our blush. And you can put a little bit of blush anywhere you like. Doesn't really matter. If you want to look more burnt, you can just put a little bit on your nose and stuff like that. Spray my face, let all the product melt in. And I'm gonna bake a little bit under where my bronzer. I'm gonna like kind of bake under a little bit. Not too much because then it'll look really too much. Okay, and now we're gonna take it off. I'm gonna use my Anastasia and Maurice. They look a little highlighted. I'm going to use a little pointer brush. Gonna highlight there, inner corner for sure, and you can bring it out and you bring it in a little bit. That's what I do sometimes. And then I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go with this Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go above my brows, and then for my cheeks, where my highlighted is. And you see how it just gives that little smooth look. And then I'm gonna do lightly on my chin, and then lightly press. Just lightly glow, just like a leftover product. And favorite mascara is the Lash Princess by Essence. This is like by far my favorite mascara at the moment. So if you go to Ulta right now, definitely go get this mascara. Okay, so I just lined my lips with Strip Down, and I'm gonna use Cork and just outline my lips again. Okay, kind of shade it in, and then I'm gonna go in my London NYX, and I'm gonna clean up the sides a little bit, you know, because it's a little messed up. There we go. This is how I do my makeup, and I love it. It looks so good. I look really ready for the Met Gala, like, you know, like I look very highlighted, you know, I'm very sculpted. You can see where like I'm bronzed, where I'm highlighted. I just love the way it looks, you know, on camera. It'll look a little different, but if you look in different lighting, my skin looks good. It looks really good. I'm definitely gonna take pictures, so you're gonna see like in probably natural lighting, it's gonna look a lot better. And there's a combo, and just like, it just looks so good, and I freaking love it. I just love the way I contour my face. It's like a game changer. Like, I love the way I look. It just looks so bomb. So I can definitely kind of tone down this, but like sometimes when I'm in natural lighting, you can't really tell like it's really intense, but on camera it kind of looks intense, but it's not that intense. So just to let you know, my hair is ready to be curled. So the next video I'm gonna show y'all is like the way I curl my hair now. It's like the game changer too. So, you know, we're coming out here with game changers. It's like a whole new me. So Boos, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you had a great time. Leave a comment down below. Like this video, share Boos. That would mean so much to me if you share it. So yeah, Boos, this is a final look. I love it. Oh my god, I look so good. Oh my god. Chef kiss. Let's do it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.